So here's a quick video on how to remove the redcat, Monte Carlo, or Impala stock wire wheels. I did this so I could put the Jevries True 13s on there. There wasn't a clear tutorial on how to do it, but here's how I did it. I didn't use no napkin, no rag, no nothing. I just used a pair of these, and they're smaller than your average channel locks or whatever these are called. Wire strippers, clippers, whatever you want to call them. What you do is you put a little bit of pressure on these, like so, and just twist. And make sure you're holding the wheel. Once you hold the wheel and you unlock that little thing, you'll be able to do it with your fingers after that. And you just want to break the lock from the screw that's in there. Let me focus. Oh, I don't want to focus, my bad. Well, you get the idea. Once you do that, you just twist this off, like so. And that's it, man. Slap your True 13 on there. Line it up. And there it is there. I used the napkin and rag routine with the needle nose pliers. Ended up breaking the knockoff, as you can see, on the stocks. I'm not going to use them, so I don't care. And there it is there. Peace.